Hello everyone, so welcome back to a new video. So now we will see what are the cautions, what things we need to be remember in indices, like what should we not to do in indices. There are certain things I have written them as cautions. Let's jump into it. So the first thing we need to remember is whenever we have same bases with the different powers and in between they have a positive addition sign, so this cannot be simplified. The rule we have this rule only works for uh, multiply or divide. Like if we have a multiplication sign here instead of a addition sign, then this rule this can be simplified like this. If we have a to the power m into a to the power n, this can be simplified to a to the power m into m plus n. Sorry, the powers get added when you have multiplication sign. So this cannot be simplified, as this is not a multiplication or division sign. Same is the case with subtraction sign. When we have same bases with different powers and in between they have a negative sign, so this cannot be simplified. So this is the question number one. Let's move on to question number two. What our question number two says is you are not allowed to take power common if terms are being added or subtracted. So let's see. If we have uh, two terms with different bases and same powers, and the sign between them is of addition, so this cannot be simplified to like this shown. This cannot be written as a plus b. We cannot take power common in this. We can only take power common when there is a multiplication sign like this, a to the power m into b to the power m. This can be uh, a into b, so the powers can be taken common. We can only take powers common when we have a multiplication or division sign between them. Like this can be written as a into b and the power is taken common. So not with the addition sign or not with the subtraction sign. Same is the case with the subtraction sign. These are very critical things that we need to keep in mind during when solving indices questions. Let's move on to question number three. So now let's see what our question number 3 says. You are not allowed to open powers directly if terms are being added or subtracted. Let's see what it says. So this is the same rule as of the reverse of the previous one. So let's see, if we have something in the bracket a plus b and it has a whole power. So this cannot be open like this. This cannot be open like this. Same is the case with the negative, just the sign is the opposite. So what we can do in this case, we can use open it using factorization. So we use the factorization like that we will learn in the next videos is to a b. So we will use factorization for these. We cannot directly open this. Now let's see what 4 minus 1 with the negative sign. Same is the case with the negative sign, just the sign is changed here, plus b square. So this is the thing we do, not this directly. So that's it for this video. These three questions are very important for this chapter. So that's it for this video. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.